How to send text messages on WhatsApp. Have you just started using WhatsApp and you still don't know how to send a message? No problem. In this video I'll show you how to write and send a text message to a contact. First, open WhatsApp by tapping the green icon with the white handset to open the app. The main screen will open where you will see all the recent chats points. If you have already chatted with someone, tap on their name to open the conversation point. Alternatively, tap on the message icon at the bottom right on Android, or at the top right on iPhone. Then select the contact you can write to from the address book. At the bottom right you will find a text bar with the word message. Tap there and start writing with your phone's keyboard. For example, "Hi, how are you?" Once you have written the message, tap the airplane icon to send the message immediately. To understand if the message has been delivered, I should look at these check marks here. 1 gray check mark means message sent. 2 gray check marks, message delivered. 2 blue check marks, message in bed. The blue ticks feature must be activated via read receipts. See how easy it is? Now you can start texting your friends, family, or colleagues on WhatsApp. In the next video I will explain how to send photos, voice messages, and much more.